She was boasting about her great knowledge. She said Al-Biruni was a natural scientist. He has written a number of books on astronomy, algebra, arithmetic, and geography. She always talks as she knows everything.
She considers such self-flattered. She even says that she goes to school.
We have never heard of blind people studying. How can she go to school? It is another of her last name.
We of the level, and here she is. Look, she is coming towards us. She even has a book in her hand.
It is her way of showing that she is a great scholar. Amna, what is this book in your hand?
Oh, computer book. Have you ever seen a computer? What do you know about computers?
I am a 10th class student, besides computer, I also study mathematics, geometry, and science.
We will expose her in a minute. Can you read to us? What is written in this book?
Computers can handle large amount of data and carry out complex calculations with them. But it depends on two practical.
Or have you memorized everything?
This book is in brain. It is a special catalog in boss dot with which blind person can easily read and write.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. What are you guys doing?
Sir, Anna is saying she can study all subjects, even computer science and mathematics.
She is right. This is a system of envelope, which is usually called over by blind persons to read and write.
But how can she work on a computer when she can't read?
There are special software for the blind, which have voice synthesizer and can read aloud whatever is printed. These software help the blind person to use computer as any sighted person can. The most interesting part is that this software is developed by a blind person.
By a blind man?
Yes, and even the system of embossed door was developed more than 200 years ago by Louis Braille, who could not see. With the help of assistive technology, the blind persons are considered no less. Their education and training is more difficult, but with effort, they can achieve whatever they wish.
Really, sir? That is strange. I never knew this.
I know Amna is one of the top students in her class.
Then, why does she always have this stick in her hand?
This is not a stick. It is my right leg, which helps me to find my way, and I can move about freely with its hands. It is an indication for sighted person that I cannot see.
We never thought that a cane can show anyone a path or guide.
The very simple reason for this is that in our country, blind persons are considered useless and are ignored. Do we realize that with their training in brain, orientation and mobility, they can become a useful citizen, have independence